Hey there. A quick entry question once again regarding merge. So, what are possibilities and possible combinations to run a merge statement? Like, can we run update alone, insert alone, delete alone, or like need to perform insert and update together, something like that? Let's look at it. So, remember, we can perform update alone, but we cannot perform delete a statement alone. Delete will always be associated along with the update statement, and delete cannot be run before update statement. And also, a delete cannot be executed if the where condition in the update statement is not satisfied. And also, such statement can be run alone without having delete or update statement. And if we want to perform update and insert statements, we can do that as well. And if we want to perform insert and delete statements, then it's not possible because delete has to be associated with the update. And without insert, update and delete alone can also be performed.